Let us have some fun with Splop. But first, under params, drag and drop a curve param. Select the first rel, copy paste, right click and select the second rel. Finally, in order, right click, set multiple curves, select the cross sections in order. I like to Ctrl G and make a group and rename this, let's set it to sections so that I remember which of the three are the sections. Now, under surface, long time ago, we saw sweep one rel. How about if we take a look at sweep two rels? We have the first rel, we have the second rel, and we have the cross sections. If you want, you can add the Boolean toggle and set it to true or false. It depends on your design. Finally, let me stretch just a little bit my canvas. Finally, let's take a look at the 3D tile. This is a solid. This is a Brep. I call it a 3D tile. Let me use geometry and right click and select the tile. Perfect. Now we can go to transform, morph, and drag and drop Splop. Drag and drop Splop. So we need to connect the geometry. That's the 3D tile. And we have that one. Where is the tile located? In which construction plane? We don't have it. So I'm going to select calculate the volume, and the volume component will give us the centroid. Don't forget, you can deconstruct. Don't forget, vectors, deconstruct that point and move up and down that point. Now let me connect the surface, and we are missing the parameter. The parameter is just a point, X and Y. And for this exercise, let us use the MD slider. This is a point that the domain goes from 0 to 1 in the X direction and from 0 to 1 in the Y direction. That's why it doesn't move at all. It stays like on that little corner. But if you right click and reparametricize the surface, look at this. Now we can take this 3D tile anywhere we want. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? This gives a lot of ideas. Finally, let us set the angle to degrees, and let's make a numeric slider from -90 to 90. So that we can rotate the tile easily. And the last option is really important. Notice that by default is set to false. And let me show you what it does. If you set it to true, you are not morphing. You are not projecting that tile into the surface. If you set it to false, it will. So there you go, Splop. I hope you use it a lot.